I'm up in a canyon, and it is 15 degrees here. In December of 2019, I had a great idea. Let's go meet Tim Collins, my buddy from 40 Times Around, 1,000 miles away from home in Arizona, and do a backcountry discovery ride. I didn't have the time, and I really didn't have the money. I didn't know if I would even make it home, but I had to go. Had to make this adventure happen. So far on this adventure, 842.5 miles, 75 more till I meet Tim. We got the local cop shop here. Guy in the store taking his pants off. Cops came, handcuffed him, then they let him go. Sorry I didn't have the GoPro on for that. What a night. Well, day 3 of my adventure. Made it to Tombstone with Timmy.
Yeah, buddy.
What a day already, buddy. What happened? Why'd you have to go back to the hotel?
My tire's leaking air still. All the way across Texas.
Made it all the way across
It's
Texas.
still leaking air.
I'm not the only one that has problems, okay, people? And then my fuel line came off. As you can see, I'm still leaking a little. Woohoo! Tim's gonna start a gunfight. So right before, about a year before my grandpa passed, I took him to the mall. And got pictures, you know, the black and white stuff, and they dressed us up like cowboys. He had Jack Daniels and a pistol.
Have you seen the movie?
I've seen parts of it, but I kept falling asleep. Here we go. Don't be scared when the gunshots start ringing out, okay? Where the fella gotta go find a lady and a drink? That's what I came all the way to Arizona for, a shady lady. Should have tied our bikes up there. Ghosts and Legends tour.
It's kind of a haunted house.
Well, yeah, it's got a kind of haunted aspects to it, but it's coverage of the history of the Tombstone.
Okay. Alright, we might come back to that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wyatt Earp's Oriental Saloon. Some legs. Indoor gunfights. Oh. No firearms or other weapons.
Do you want coffee or like sit down breakfast?
I need coffee, and I will need to eat, but coffee is not optional.
They used to sit at the bar and they'd see her from the back and she'd be so drunk that they'd think it was a ghost. They'd turn around and shoot it. It was like a thing.
I guess they were drinking spirits.
That cord up on the backstage suite, down the set steps and over.
Alright.
12 to 18.
Welcome to 1880, Tim. Smell it.
Smells like 1880s. There were real women up there. Yeah, and then this was the stage for the main stage.
So this is a cat.
Yeah.
Called a cat.
Yeah. Wyatt Earp used to hang out up there.
Shiitake mushrooms. So they'd be up there flirting with you while you're drinking.
There's a hallway behind it where they come and bring you drinks.
I mean, they might have lived short lives, but they were kind of full lives. Hey, this typewriter is what the girls were.
Nice. just wanted to give Tom, so he stole a horse, for which he was hanged.
Oh. Just, you got me to say, just bury me in a pine box. There it is. What the hell? A mortician table?
They probably cut him open and drained everything into that box. All the fluids.
Like mummify him? Yeah. Why walk around half dead? Wow. Think any of these are like original? Or recreation? Make sure to join us for episode 3. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.